Poverty is not a life sentence. It is a condition, and like any condition, it can be treated with the right prescription. But here's the truth most people don't want to hear. Getting out of poverty requires sacrifice, discipline, and a long-term plan. There are no shortcuts. There is no lottery ticket. There is only a system. Today, we are going to give you that system. This video combines timeless principles from financial wisdom into a single, actionable roadmap. If you apply these rules consistently for 5 years, your financial reality will transform. Let's begin. The first rule is simple and brutal. In your first year, you must earn as much money as humanly possible. This means working multiple jobs. It means selling things you don't need. It means saying no to leisure and yes to opportunity. For 1 year, your only focus is income generation. This is not a time for complaining. It is a time for action. Take the job no one wants. Work the hours others avoid. Every extra naira, every extra dollar is fuel for your future. Remember the words of the wise. The first step to wealth is earning. You cannot invest what you do not have. Before you invest your money, invest in your mind. The most profitable investment you will ever make is knowledge. Too many people rush to buy assets they don't understand, and they lose everything. The wealthy understand this. You must first understand what you are putting your money into. Take time to learn about real estate. Study how the stock market works. Understand the value of gold and land. Read books, listen to lectures, ask questions. Never, and I repeat, never invest in something you do not fully understand. If you cannot explain it to a child, you do not understand it well enough to invest in it. Now, with the money you earned in your first year, you must buy assets, real assets, things that increase in value over time. Gold, because its value has been recognized for thousands of years. Land, because they are not making any more of it. Real estate, because people will always need a place to live. Notice what we are not buying. We are not buying new clothes to impress neighbors. We are not buying a fancy car that loses half its value the moment you drive it off the lot. We are not buying things that make us look rich. We are buying things that make us actually wealthy. Here is a rule that separates the wealthy from the struggling. From every income you receive, save 10%. Not 5%, not when you feel like it. 10% consistently. This money is not for spending. This money is for growing. It is the seed for your next investment. If you earn 10,000, save 1,000. If you earn 100,000, save 10,000. This habit alone, maintained over years, will build a foundation that most people never achieve. It requires discipline, but discipline is the price of freedom. Now, you repeat this cycle, year after year, for 5 years. Earn, invest, save. Earn, invest, save. The first year will be the hardest. The second year, easier.
By the third year, you will see momentum. By the fifth year, you will have built something that most people spend a lifetime dreaming about. This is not get rich quick. This is get wealthy certainly. The wealthy understand that wealth is not an event. It is a process, a slow, steady, consistent process. Patience is not passive waiting. It is active persistence. Here is a hard truth that will save you years of wasted effort. People who look rich are often poor. They spend their money on appearances. They buy things to impress people they do not know. And people who look poor are often wealthy. They have invested their money. They own assets. They are secure. Do not chase the appearance of wealth. Chase the reality of it. A man in a simple robe who owns land is richer than a man in designer clothes who rents his apartment. Choose substance over spectacle. Choose freedom over fashion. Finally, stay simple and enjoy the game. Wealth is not the goal. Freedom is the goal. Money is a tool. If you become a slave to money, you have lost. If you use money to create freedom for yourself and your family, you have won. Do not let the pursuit of wealth rob you of joy. Wake up grateful. Spend time with loved ones. Give to those in need. Laugh often. The wealthy person who is miserable is not wealthy at all. True wealth is peace of mind. 5 years, 7 rules, 1 decision. The decision to start today, not tomorrow, not next month, today. The wealthy did not become wealthy by accident. They followed a system. Now you have that system. The question is not whether it works. The question is, will you work it?
I love it when you call me.